Hey guys, today we're going to go over our newest product for the Toyota Tundra and Tacoma Ultimate Ratchet straps. They're available to purchase in a single, 2-pack, or 4-pack. Each one comes with a strap, 2 T-nuts, and 2 bolts. And like all of our other ones, these pivot, these go in 3 different directions. All right, let's get them installed. Today we're going to be installing them on a 3rd gen Tacoma. This one has a foldable tunnel cover, and that's the reason why the bed rail is slightly lower. It will work on any Tacoma or Tundra, rather the bed rail is here or a little bit higher. As long as you have access to it and can get the T-nuts in there, it'll work fine. So we'll start off with removing the end cap. You can choose to either remove the cleats or leave them on. Once you install the straps, you won't have access to remove them. So today we're going to remove them, but you can totally just leave them in the middle. That's totally fine. You want to keep an eye out inside the bed rail. There's these little notches, and that's for the factory cleats. You do not want to have the T-nuts in line with the notch. You want to put them anywhere in this section here. That way they sit nice and tight. So take 2 of them. Slide the first one in. You can also slide all 4 if you want. If you don't want to slide them in from that way, it's kind of up to you. We're just going to do 2 here. We're going to kind of line them up. Grab the strap. You can install it this way, doesn't really matter because it folds, just depends on where you want that tie down point. We're going to do them this way today. We're going to fold it there so we have access. Grab one of the bolts and a 5/16 Allen wrench. Just kind of eyeball them. There you go, line them up, and let's just get it slightly started. It should be very easy. If this is binding or anything, just stop. You don't need to force it at all. Grab the other one, eyeball it there, line it up, and start that one. They should start very easily with almost no resistance at all. Go back and forth. All right. Get it tightened up. And that's really about it. These are really simple to install. Check to make sure they rotate. So they'll go up and down, left and right, and this way, and then they tuck all the way away. Then you take your the bed rail cap and slide that back on, and that's it. So super simple. Let's do the other ones. And that's it. So just go back, check them, make sure they're all tight, check to make sure they all rotate good, and it's that easy. Go check them out.